Hey Sadie, how was your weekend?
It's just another Monday, so
Yeah.
it's okay.
Yeah, did you guys do anything fun?
Nope.
Oh.
What about you?
Yeah, I just watched a bunch of Netflix as usual.
Sadie,
nice.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but your next patient is here, and they're quite the character.
Oh. Knock, knock. Hello, my name is Sadie. I'm the PA that'll be seeing you today. So what brought you in today?
Well, it all started yesterday when you shed your hair like a girl changes clothes. Yeah, you make me sneeze all the time. Time to go. And you make me take second gen antihistamines. I should know that you're no good for me. 'Cause I cough and I wheeze, I itch, then I sneeze. You make my body pull out our cheese.
My cells activate, then degranulate. This time needs release.
I hate allergies.
Hey!
Dentist for your nose, oh.
Hey!
Non-lipid cycle, oh. You give me red spots, nerve endings pissed off. These flares and these wheels, triple response on you. Allergies used to be in control, loratadine, but now all that works is diphenhydramine. Used to be so alert, now I'm just sleepy. Better not drive heavy machinery. Crazy as it seems, histamine makes me scream. Vasodilation, blood pressure fading, heart rate is increased, permeability with muscle contraction, immune reaction.
Hey!
What's this headache all about? Out.
Hey!
Get Tyrosium wipe out, out. Promethazine shows black box warning, no. Block alpha causes tissue necrosis.
Someone call the PA. Anaphylaxis, I'm not okay. Need epi and some Gen 1 bronchodilate me now.
You shed your hair like a girl changes clothes.
'Cause you give me red eyes, something I despise. Fexofenadine might be the supreme. 1 hour on set, liver won't affect. The least sedation, all day duration.
Hydroxyzine I use for itching and my anxiety, but then I can't be. Mendoxylamine with pyridoxine, oh they're safe for me during pregnancy.
Hey!
IP3 NDAG, G,
Hey!
pectin protein kinase C, C.
These dang allergies, I can't even breathe. Roxy, I love you, but you've got issue. We have antihistamine, and we have, what does yours say?
Laura.
Loratadine. What does yours say?
Claritin.
And yours is?
Sadie Rosine.
Man, we're good. An action.
Okay, sorry. Hey, Sadie.
Okay.
Oh,
all right. I'm
Girl,
sorry.
get serious. Okay.
Is this still going?
An action.
Come on, we got this.
I know, I'm really sorry. Okay.
Sadie Rosine.
Man, we're good. Okay.
Teen pregnancy. Hey! My teeth hormone affects the lead
It's right after.
Okay. Oh, they're safe for me during pregnancy. Hey! This spice, Bexofanati, might be the supreme 1 hour on.
This is the hay scene, take one. Like, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's a little dark.
Go.
Hey!
Oh, that was good.
Don't give it away.
Sorry, guys.
It's a surprise. You're not supposed to know. Top secret. Presidential stuff over here. She gone.
Yeah.
I never start recording her.
I don't know if that's worth props. That's nice of you. Yeah, the Friday before finals too.
Who else is doing it?
It's kind of small, but okay. That.
Like doing it on like this. Oh, girl, that sounds like a accident waiting to happen. Alright, let's try this. Oh, on her backs.
She's talking about accident waiting to happen.
That would be cool. Now blast
Go.
It takes a
All right, that's a wrap.